In the following videos, we're going to look at three devices: bipolar junction transistors, field effect transistors, and various types of valve, which act in a very similar way to each other. These are all three-terminal devices which can behave as amplifiers in analog electronics or switches in digital electronics. We can represent these three-terminal devices as shown on the screen. A signal, that is a voltage or a current, on the control input, that is terminal 1 on the diagram, controls a current flowing through terminal 2 and out through terminal 3. The control input therefore acts rather like a tap in a pipe. The reason that this is important is that a change in the control signal at input 1 is much smaller than the corresponding change in the current flowing from 2 into 3. This is the reason that these devices act as amplifiers. If perhaps you have difficulty seeing how a small change in something can produce a large change in something else, nature does this all the time. Just consider how a small push of a large, finely balanced rock at the edge of a cliff can cause a large change, that is, it crashing to the ground. In circuits using these devices, the current to be changed is supplied by a battery or a power supply. If a voltage output is required, then a resistor can be inserted into the circuit to convert the change of current into a corresponding change of voltage. And we can take an output wire of this voltage from the bottom of this resistor. Depending on the type of device, the input signal can be a voltage, a current, or a power, that is, a mixture of both voltage and current. Shown on the table on the screen is the way that the control signals of these devices are normally thought of, although, as we'll see later, the real situation is rather more complex than this.